because that's -5 degrees Celsius. After that, I go to Permanent City and acrobatic show, and then the second day I went to the Summer Palace and Cannon Street. In Forbidden City, I just took a photo or picture, but again, I just like studying about the history. But again, in there was so cold. So I stayed in some stores in there to make my body warm. And acrobatic show. In there, I just like to take a picture of the player and acrobatic show because it was cool. But I felt bored, so I let my mom sleep in there.
Don't sleep well.
Slept. Second day in China, I went to the Summer Palace. In Summer Palace, I just took a picture and photo again because the view was good and the name is Summer Palace, but the place is cold. In Cannon Street, I just like to take a photo again. Take a photo. And in Cannon Street, there are so many foods. So, in Cannon Street, there is so many foods. There were many foods. So, I ate many foods also to make my energy flow because I hold a tour. So we couldn't like I wanted to breathe. We couldn't like that. So our tour guide to like we breathe in here.
We were broke.
Like in here. So we couldn't like
We couldn't take it.
Take a rest. We just take a rest and charge our body. Okay. I think that's all for my presentation. But then I visited to many places again, but because of the time, I just presentation this.
Okay, thank you, Vanya. Very good. Let me ask a question for Vanya. This one. You went to China with you represented the tour, right? The tour, right? Agency tour. So it means you need to follow. You have to follow whatever they ask you to do. So which one do you prefer? Next holiday, are you going to follow the tour again, or you will have your own trip with family only, no tour guide?
It's like future.
In the future?
No, like what? Go abroad. I think like depends what this country. If like Malaysia, Singapore, we can talk about the language. So we couldn't follow the tour guide. But if like China, like Russia, like another, I think I
situation like the weather was under -5. Why didn't you go to China in